up, you guys? It's your girl B, and we are back with another video. In this video, I'm basically going to be doing a lot of maintenance because I think we've been in Atlanta for about almost a month, and I have yet to have anything maintenance wise done. I haven't had my feet done, my nails done, I haven't had my lashes done, just nothing. I've been doing my own hair, I've been slicking this baby back, but I'm over it. My nails have been growing and growing and growing and growing, and I'm at the point now where I just want to get a little bit more girly-fied, you know what I'm saying? Bringing y'all along with me to the nail salon and to get my lashes done. I'm tired of putting on these strips every day. I'm just tired of it. I just want to wake up with lashes, okay?
I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
I have yet to really like explore Atlanta like I want to. So this will really be the first time that I'm like going out by myself to different places and just being in the city. I'm gonna be trying out this nail tech. I have seen a lot of good reviews, so I'm excited about trying it out. I'm just really trying to, you know, take care of self, skin, hair, everything, all of those things, because your girl has a wedding to prepare for in July. Been contemplating a BBL. I have been contemplating a BBL because with all this weight loss, my butt is starting to leave. I feel like I could get a BBL between now and, you know, around that time and be okay. Let's just become a Beaut. I can't be calling y'all Beaut Squad and I look crusty. Okay? So let's go. Your girl just got her lashes done. She did a really good job. I thought I couldn't get individuals because every time I get them they hurt, like, so I just thought, or my friend was just like, you know, your eyes are probably just too sensitive for them. So I'm like, dang, that sucks, because now I gotta put on the strip lash every day. Nobody want to do that. Nobody wants to do that. But I was like, let me try it one more time, you know, let me give it another go. And I did, and I'm glad that I did, because these feel so good. They feel so light. They don't hurt. Like, they don't burn. Like, they burn a little bit, but I've had some lashes that will literally like make me want to take my eyeballs out. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking for a lash tech, let me, you know, drop her information down in the description so y'all can get your lashes done. So now I'm on my way to go get some groceries for the house and some food for the house. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to go get my nails done, and I'm very excited about going here because the reviews are really nice. I can tell just based off their website that they're super clean, and with COVID, you know, that is very important. Or being a cosmetology instructor is very hard for me to go to certain places because I'm always looking out for what they're doing to follow state board. It's very hard for me to let go of that when they're not, you know, disinfecting properly or just using the same tools and just being nasty. I think I want to try to make an Instagram reel while I'm getting my my nails done, sorry. While I'm getting my nails done. This is what they look like right now. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they're fairly long and they're really strong, so I'm trying to go for something that's going to keep that's gonna keep my nails long and strong. I'm gonna try to do the S&S, but I'm gonna add like an extension to it, and I might try to do like a little cute design. We'll see. Is up, y'all? It is Sunday. The weather in Georgia today is hot Atlanta today, y'all. I don't even think this is as hot as Atlanta can get, but It's definitely giving very much summer vibes, you know. Your girl has on some biker shorts today. I went ahead and pulled them out. I was like, okay, we're gonna pull out the biker shorts today. The sun is out, it's nice and shiny. Everybody outside walking their dog, you know. I just can't wait. Like, I just can't wait. Can't wait to have my nails done again, feel like a girl again, and just, I don't know. When you have your nails done, you just feel like a brand new girl, you know? You just feel so brand new. My naked smoothie, y'all, sorry if it's not focusing on me. I got a naked smoothie, my berry blast. You know, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite. The mango is actually my favorite one. But this one is decent. It's real decent because I drank up all the mango. I have no idea what's going on with my face. But it might be these new masks that I have been wearing. These are actually my children's. These belong to my kids, but I mean, I put them on. They work. They're not, I mean, they're a little small, but they work. They do what needs to be done. So I'm assuming that's what's starting to break my face out, because I just have like these little bumps.
Let me know if you need anything.
Y'all, my nails look so bomb. Like, look at these. Look at my freaking nails. They look so good. Like, I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. But yeah, I'm hungry. So I'm about to get something to eat. You know, I'm gonna show my boo my nails. See what he think about the new grippers. I'm a little closer. So this is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me for my maintenance. You know, your girl's feeling a little bit better now. I just ate dinner and now I'm getting ready to wind down. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to do, like, you know, a little nightly routine to see how this girl winds down at night. Different things that I need to do to just regroup and get myself together and prepare for the next day. So yeah, just like a solo night routine after I get the kids to bed. What do I do for myself? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.